The Science of Gut Health. Unraveling the Gut-Brain Connection.
Welcome to NutriNourish Hub, where we explore the fascinating world of nutrition and its impact on our overall well-being. In today's video, we dive deep into the science of gut health and unravel the incredible gut-brain connection. Prepare to be amazed as we uncover the intricate relationship between your gut and your mental well-being. From the influential role of gut microbes to the mysterious communication pathways between your gut and brain, we leave no stone unturned in our quest for knowledge. Discover the surprising links between gut health and emotions as we explore the intriguing connection between your gut microbiota and mood disorders. But it doesn't stop there. We also delve into the power of nutrition and how your diet can significantly influence the powerhouse that is your gut-brain axis. Get ready to learn how you can harness the remarkable potential of nutrition to optimize your mental health. So join us on this eye-opening journey as we explore the science of gut health and the incredible impact it has on our everyday lives. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit that like button, because the more knowledge we share, the healthier and happier we become. Let's nourish our minds together.
The gut-brain connection. How your gut health influences your mental well-being.
The gut-brain connection is a fascinating and complex relationship that has been studied extensively in recent years. It reveals how closely linked our gut health is to our mental well-being. Many researchers have found evidence that suggests the gut and the brain communicate bidirectionally through neural, hormonal, and immune pathways. One interesting aspect of the gut-brain connection is the influence of gut bacteria on mental health. Our gut is home to trillions of microorganisms, collectively known as the gut microbiota. Studies have shown that imbalances or disruptions in the gut microbiota can have a profound impact on mental health. For example, certain species of gut bacteria produce neurotransmitters like serotonin, which plays a vital role in regulating mood, anxiety, and overall mental well-being. A healthy gut microbiota promotes a balanced production of these neurotransmitters, while an unhealthy microbiota can lead to imbalances and potentially contribute to conditions like depression and anxiety. Another intriguing factor in the gut-brain connection is the impact of inflammation. When our gut experiences chronic inflammation, it triggers an immune response that can influence brain function. The gut has a unique defense system called the gut-associated lymphoid tissue, GALT, which houses a large population of immune cells. These immune cells can release pro-inflammatory cytokines that can travel to the brain, affecting neurotransmitter levels and potentially contributing to mental health disorders. Furthermore, the gut-brain axis is influenced by a range of other factors, including stress and diet. Chronic stress can disrupt the balance of the gut microbiota and increase gut permeability, allowing harmful substances to enter the bloodstream and potentially trigger inflammation. Additionally, a diet high in processed foods and low in fiber can negatively impact gut health, leading to imbalances in the gut microbiota and subsequent effects on mental well-being. Understanding the intricate relationship between gut health and mental well-being is an area of growing interest in medical research. By focusing on optimizing gut health through factors such as a balanced diet, stress management, and targeted probiotic interventions, we may be able to positively influence mental health outcomes. The gut-brain connection provides us with valuable insights into the potential interventions and treatments for mental health disorders, paving the way for novel therapeutic approaches in the future.
Microbes in your gut. The key players in the gut-brain axis.
Microbes in our gut play a crucial role in the intricate web of communication between our gut and our brain, known as the gut-brain axis. These microbes, including bacteria, viruses, fungi, and other microorganisms, have a profound influence on our overall health and well-being. The gut microbiota, specifically bacteria, have been the focus of numerous studies exploring their role in the gut-brain axis. Our gut is home to trillions of bacteria, collectively known as the gut microbiome. These bacteria have a diverse array of functions and are involved in various physiological processes, including digestion, immune function, and the production of essential vitamins. One fascinating fact about gut microbes is their ability to produce and interact with neurotransmitters, the chemical messengers in our brain, For example, certain bacteria in the gut produce gamma-aminobutyric acid, GABA, a neurotransmitter known for its calming effects. GABA plays a crucial role in regulating anxiety and stress levels. Other gut bacteria produce serotonin, a neurotransmitter that affects mood, sleep, and appetite. The presence or absence of specific bacteria can influence the production of these neurotransmitters, potentially impacting our mental well-being. Furthermore, gut microbes also play a critical role in shaping our immune system's development and function. The gut microbiota helps educate our immune system, teaching it to recognize harmful pathogens while maintaining tolerance to beneficial substances. Imbalances in the gut microbiota, commonly referred to as dysbiosis, have been associated with immune dysregulation and increased susceptibility to inflammatory diseases, including those affecting the brain. Emerging research has also linked the gut microbiota to neurodegenerative diseases such as Alzheimer's and Parkinson's. Studies have shown that specific gut microbes can produce toxic substances that contribute to the development and progression of these diseases. Understanding the role of these microbes is opening up new avenues for potential interventions and therapies to target the gut microbiota in the prevention and treatment of such conditions. The influence of gut microbes on the gut-brain axis is a fascinating area of study, with implications for mental health, immune function, and even neurological diseases. By nourishing and maintaining a diverse and balanced gut microbiota through a healthy diet, prebiotics, and probiotics, we can optimize the communication between our gut and brain, promoting overall well-being.
Unraveling the mystery: how the gut communicates with the brain through the vagus nerve.
The communication between the gut and the brain is a complex and fascinating phenomenon. One of the key players in this process is the vagus nerve, a major nerve that links the two organs and facilitates the bidirectional flow of information. Unraveling the mystery of how the gut communicates with the brain through the vagus nerve has been the focus of extensive research. The vagus nerve, also known as the 10th cranial nerve, extends from the brainstem and branches out to various organs, including the heart, lungs, and gastrointestinal tract. It carries signals in both directions, allowing constant communication between the gut and the brain. This interaction is vital for regulating important bodily functions such as digestion, metabolism, and emotional well-being. One interesting fact about the vagus nerve is that it serves as a pathway for the transmission of information encoded by gut microbes. The gut microbiota produce a wide range of molecules, including neurotransmitters and metabolites, that can influence the activity of the vagus nerve. These signals travel along the vagus nerve to the brain, where they can impact cognition, mood, and behavior. Furthermore, the vagus nerve plays a crucial role in the regulation of inflammation. When the gut is exposed to harmful pathogens or toxins, the immune system reacts by triggering an inflammatory response. The vagus nerve acts as a communication channel, relaying information about this immune response to the brain. In turn, the brain can initiate appropriate responses, such as releasing anti-inflammatory molecules, to modulate the inflammatory process. Research has also shown that stimulating the vagus nerve can have therapeutic effects in various conditions. In recent years, vagus nerve stimulation has been explored as a potential treatment for disorders such as epilepsy, depression, and even inflammatory bowel disease. By directly activating the vagus nerve, it is possible to modulate the signals traveling between the gut and the brain, potentially improving symptoms and overall well-being. Understanding the intricate mechanisms of communication between the gut and the brain through the vagus nerve sheds light on the importance of maintaining a healthy gut-brain axis. Taking care of our gut health through a balanced diet, regular exercise, and stress management can positively influence the signals transmitted through the vagus nerve, promoting not only gut health but also mental and overall physical well-being.
Gut health and emotions: exploring the link between the gut microbiota and mood disorders.
The connection between gut health and emotions has gained increasing attention in recent years. Researchers have been exploring the link between the gut microbiota, the trillions of microorganisms residing in our digestive system, and mood disorders. These investigations have revealed fascinating insights into how our gut health can influence our emotional well-being, One interesting fact is that the gut microbiota produce an array of molecules that can directly affect the brain. These molecules include neurotransmitters, such as serotonin and dopamine, which are essential for regulating mood and emotions. In fact, it is estimated that approximately 90% of serotonin, often referred to as the feel-good neurotransmitter, is produced by the gut microbiota. This highlights the significant role that these microorganisms play in our emotional state. Moreover, studies have demonstrated a strong correlation between alterations in the gut microbiota and mood disorders like anxiety and depression. Imbalances in the composition and diversity of gut bacteria can lead to dysregulation of the gut-brain axis, a bidirectional communication pathway between the gut and the brain. When this axis is disrupted, it can contribute to the development or exacerbation of mood disorders. The mechanisms underlying this connection are multifaceted. One reason is that the gut microbiota can influence the production of key neurotransmitters as well as hormones that impact our mood. Additionally, the gut microbiota can indirectly affect the immune system, leading to low-grade inflammation, which has been associated with increased risk of mood disorders. Furthermore, the microbiota gut-brain axis is influenced by various lifestyle factors, such as diet and stress, which can further impact our emotional well-being. Understanding the link between gut health and emotions opens up new possibilities for the management and treatment of mood disorders. Researchers are exploring interventions aimed at modulating the gut microbiota, such as probiotics and prebiotics, as potential adjunct therapies for individuals with mood disorders. By promoting a healthy gut microbiota, it may be possible to positively influence mood and reduce the risk or severity of mood disorders. In conclusion, the intricate relationship between the gut microbiota and mood disorders highlights the importance of maintaining a healthy gut for our emotional well-being. The production of neurotransmitters, the influence on the gut-brain axis, and the impact of lifestyle factors all contribute to this connection. By further unraveling the mysteries of this link, we may discover novel approaches to promote mental health and improve overall quality of life.
The impact of diet on the gut-brain connection. Harnessing the power of nutrition for optimal mental health.
The impact of diet on the gut-brain connection has emerged as a fascinating area of research, highlighting the potential of nutrition in promoting optimal mental health. The food we consume plays a pivotal role in shaping the composition of our gut microbiota, which in turn influences our brain function and mental well-being. One interesting fact is that certain dietary patterns, such as the Mediterranean diet, have been associated with a lower risk of developing mental disorders. This diet, characterized by high consumption of fruits, vegetables, whole grains, legumes, and healthy fats like olive oil, has been shown to support a diverse and beneficial gut microbiota. The abundance of fiber in this diet promotes the growth of beneficial bacteria, which can produce substances that positively impact brain health. Furthermore, specific nutrients have been identified for their crucial role in the gut-brain connection. Omega-3 fatty acids, commonly found in fatty fish like salmon, are essential for brain health and have been linked to a reduced risk of depression and anxiety. These fatty acids help decrease inflammation in the body, including the gut, which can have a positive impact on mental well-being. Other nutrients like B vitamins, zinc, and magnesium also play important roles in brain function and may be involved in the gut-brain connection. Not only do certain foods affect our gut microbiota and brain health, but our eating habits can also impact our mental well-being. Stress, for example, can alter the gut microbiota composition and increase susceptibility to mood disorders. Furthermore, emotional eating, which often involves consuming highly processed, sugary, and fatty foods, can negatively impact the gut-brain connection and exacerbate mental health issues. Fortunately, harnessing the power of nutrition can offer exciting possibilities for optimizing mental health. Nutritional interventions, such as personalized dietary plans and the use of specific probiotics and prebiotics, are being explored as adjunct therapies for mental disorders. These interventions aim to restore gut microbial balance, reduce inflammation, and support brain health, ultimately improving mental well-being. In summary, the impact of diet on the gut-brain connection is a captivating field of research. The Mediterranean diet and specific nutrients like omega-3 fatty acids have shown promise in promoting optimal mental health. Additionally, our eating habits and responses to stress can influence the gut microbiota and impact mental well-being. By leveraging the power of nutrition, we can potentially enhance the gut-brain connection and pave the way for innovative approaches to supporting mental health.
The science of gut health, unraveling the gut-brain connection.
Thank you for joining us on this enlightening journey into the science of gut health and the captivating gut-brain connection. If you found this video intriguing, make sure to explore our NutriNourish Hub channel for more fascinating insights into nutrition and its impact on our well-being. Don't miss out on the opportunity to gain knowledge that can transform your everyday life. Subscribe to our channel and hit that like button to join our community of health-conscious individuals. Together, let's nourish our minds and unlock the secrets to optimal mental health.